soup.
Food educator Wendy Barrett. She knows her pears. Back on the show. You've been coming on the show for how many years now, you think, Wendy?
Well, I'll give you one hint. When I first started, this was black. And it's not so black anymore, is it?
You look great.
That's a hint.
You look great. Thanks for coming into our new space, into the canteen to talk pears. What's your obsession with pears? Why do you like pears so much?
Well, first of all, the taste is fantastic. And they're so versatile. And you know, over the season, you can get 10 different varieties of pears. But this is what's available now. This is a Boss, which people like to use for baking because they hold their shape really well. And then the next one is a Bartlett, unripe because it's green. And then if you move over a little bit, there's a yellow, which is ripe.
Right in the middle.
Yeah. And then an Anjou, and an Anjou again. And I love these Anjous for Valentine's Day.
The Anjou's right on the end. I've never even seen that before. Can you get those anywhere?
Most places you can,
okay.
But people don't think pears are red, so they just sort of pass them by.
They don't know what it is.
No.
What are we cooking up, or what are you getting me to cook up this morning?
Well, do you know how to tell when a pear's ripe?
No.
Oh dear. Okay. You take your thumb and your index
finger. Can I use this one?
Yep.
Okay.
And this is the neck, and if it gives a little bit, it's ripe.
Okay.
So what do you think?
It gives a little bit, but not that much.
Well, these are Boss, so it's harder to tell.
So it's harder to tell.
Yeah.
Do you want yours, like some people, do you want yours ripe? Like,
yeah.
Don't eat them when they're hard?
No, you can.
Right, because some people like them when they're hard.
They love them when they're hard.
They're still tasty, but you don't get as much of the flavor.
Well, because the starch hasn't turned to sugar yet.
Right.
So it's not quite as sweet.
Okay.
But a lot of people like them.
We're cooking with these.
We are cooking with oil, with pears, yeah. So I'm going to get you busy.
Okay.
So the first job, which I will do, because it's knives,
because you do this with a knife.
I'm not sure about knives in you. And always buy something with the stem, because they look pretty, right? With the stem, like this. So if you have a melon baller, like this, you just take out the center, right? Like that.
Yeah, see, once you dig into it, like it seems pretty ripe.
This is ripe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that it's ripe.
You know your pears.
I kind of do, after this many years. So the next step, we're not going to do this right now, but in a frying pan, put 2/3 of a cup of sugar, alrighty, and let it brown, but don't burn it. So don't go like watching a commercial or whatever. Just stay there until it turns, and then what you're going to do is...
So this is what we did. You did that before...
Absolutely.
Okay.
So you put this cut side down.
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit of crystallized ginger. Alrighty.
Am I taking this?
No.
I'm not touching it.
That's just for show.
This is just for show.
And then some lemons. And then you cook that for 10 minutes. Then you turn the heat off, put the lid on, and let it sit for 30 minutes. And this is what you get. This is your caramelized.
This is a caramelized
pear.
What was the brand again?
Pear.
No. What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
Boss
pears.
And you see, now you get this caramelized
So what do you do with this now?
All right, you're going to leave that there.
Okay. Set it down, Tim.
Okay, this is mascarpone cheese. You're going to put that in the big bowl.
In the big bowl.
Yeah. You know,
the big boy is going to put it in the big bowl.
A little bit of sugar.
Okay, just a little. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. A little bit of vanilla.
Dump that in there.
Oh, yeah. A little bit of rum.
Drink the rum or put it in there?
Well, drink half.
There you go.
And then a little bit of chocolate.
Oh,
now, with chocolate, it's bittersweet. So you want to, after you chop it, you want to strain it to get the dust off. Otherwise, this is going to look like this color. Mix it up.
Mix it up.
Yeah, mix it good. Yeah, mix it. Oh, you're pretty good at this. Oh, my God. Do you like to cook?
I do like to cook. Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm the best cook, but
well,
like I'll test.
You've got
I'll test some things out.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
That's all I want to hear. Just you have potential.
Yeah.
Yeah, my wife still says that. To be honest.
You're good. You're good. Okay, now you're gonna stuff this into
in
the
there.
Pears. Yeah.
Oh, put it right in there.
Yeah.
I see what you're doing,
and
Wendy.
Make it nice and round.
Oh, like make it
like
pretty.
this. Make it pretty.
Oh, make it come out a little bit more.
Yeah, that's a bit flat.
Oh, a little flat. We want some.
But that's okay. You're sort of newish at this, right?
Yeah, newish at it.
So it's good. Yeah. Oh, that's way better.
Way better. And then the other one too?
Yeah.
Put that in there like that.
Nice.
Okay, we only got 20 seconds.
That's okay. You're done.
Where can people find this recipe, Wendy?
Well, they should be able to find it on hopefully your website.
On our website,
but
so we'll do that.
Maybe go to usapears.org.
Okay.
And there you got it.
There you go. And then you make it all fancy.
Gold dust. Yeah.
We don't touch that. We'll touch this. Can I eat this?
You bet.
Okay, I'm going in. Thanks, Wendy.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Happy Valentine's Day.